In this experiment, we're going to look at another property of carbon dioxide. This property is the fact that carbon dioxide does dissolve into water. We're also going to look at the property that carbon dioxide is weakly acidic. When the carbon dioxide dissolves into water, it produces the acid carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide, CO2, combines with the water to form H2CO3, as if you were running together the two formulae H2O and CO2. However, the H2CO3 releases hydrogen ions, H+, into the water, and that means that the water is acidic. This release is not complete, and so the acid is described as a weak acid. To illustrate this, we will bubble some carbon dioxide into water. However, before we do that, we will add a little bit of universal indicator, which will tell us the approximate pH of the solution. So that when we first pour the indicator in, it is already slightly acidic. The solution can be made to be alkaline by adding in sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong alkali, and so therefore will turn the color of the universal indicator to its blue color. In order to show that carbon dioxide is weakly acidic and that it is soluble in water, we will bubble some of the carbon dioxide from the cylinder into this mixture of water with some sodium hydroxide. As the carbon dioxide reacts with the sodium hydroxide and neutralizes it, the indicator will change color. The pH of the solution is diminishing as the carbon dioxide is added. Considerable quantities of carbon dioxide will be required to neutralize the sodium hydroxide, because the sodium hydroxide is a strong alkali, but the carbon dioxide, in its gaseous form of course, is dissolving in the water to form a weak acid. Color change is about to occur. So we're heading towards greens and eventually through to yellows. And you can see that we've gone through yellows and greens, it's neutralized, and the color now is distinctly orange in color, which indicates, the universal indicates, that the pH has reached roughly a pH of around about 5. The sodium hydroxide has been neutralized, the carbon dioxide has dissolved into the water, and we now have a pH of around 5.